Hello and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Antonius Mersal Trivayono, NIM 1422-4059. And today we will discuss one of the basic concepts in the world of mechanical engineering, which is how a four-stroke engine works. In this video, we will learn about the four-stroke cycle used in internal combustion engines, such as those found in motor vehicles. Explanation of the four-stroke cycle. Step 1. Intake stroke. The first step in this cycle is the intake stroke. At this step, the intake valve opens and the piston moves down inside the cylinder. This process creates a vacuum. This is then filled with a mixture of air and fuel. Step 2. Compression stroke. After the air-fuel mixture enters, the intake valve closes and the piston moves upward, compressing the mixture. This step is called the compression stroke. The compression process increases the pressure and temperature of mixture, preparing it for combustion. Step 3. Power stroke. In the third step, when the piston is at the top position, the spark plug emits a spark to ignite the compressed fuel mixture. This combustion produces an compression that passes the piston down, providing the power needed to drive the engine. Step 4. Exhaust stroke. After the combustion is complete, the exhaust valve opens, the piston moves upward again, pushing the exhaust gas out of the cylinder through the exhaust valve. So that's the four-stroke cycles in an internal combustion engine. This process repeats continuously to generate power used to drive vehicles or other machinery. Four-stroke engines are the basis of many machines we encounter every day, from cars to generators. I hope this video helps you understand how a four-stroke engine works more clearly. Thank you for watching and see you next time.